Hi friends, it's another Friday. Today we are going to be making this beautiful Zara cap scarf. First, fold your fabric into two. One part has to be shorter than the other because you're going to be tucking that in and we'll work with the longer part. So just do what you're seeing. You can tuck this in very well and secure with your pin. That's good. Now this other part, you're going to spread it wide open. The more you spread it, the more tighten it becomes, or the more tight it becomes. So you're going to be making pleats, bold pleats, like about 3 or 4 inches, depending on how wide you want the Zara effect to be. So once you get to the end where you can no longer pleat, just do this. Please do this. You can put this on repeat until you're able to achieve this part of the hair tying is the most technical part, but if you get it once, you can always get it again. So once you're done securing at the back loosely, you can use your hand to make adjustments, tucking the sides that are popping out. If that top is not flat as you would want, you can go back and pin it back again. So do your necessary adjustment by the size, especially so that you have this shape you are seeing. And that is it. Thank you for watching. See you next Friday. Bye.